Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 39th algorithm video. In this task, two strings are given to us and we need to find the common characters of both strings and delete them. The remaining uncommon characters need to be concatenated. For this task, I would be using both the for loop and the replace function. For I in string 1, if I in string 2, then I use the replace function. String 1 to string 1 dot replace. I would replace the common character with an empty string. Similarly, I would do the same in string 2. After the for loop is completed, I would make a new string and I would concatenate the both the strings which contain uncommon characters. BSXC is the answer. If I change the question to AACDP, GAFT, CPGF is the answer. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.